All right, guys, Lucid Stock, it just crashed down almost 20%, factoring in after hours. So why is the stock down and should you buy it? I think right now is a good dip buying opportunity for the long term. Lucid Group is one of those electric vehicle companies that's rivaling Tesla, and it has vehicles out on the road right now, unlike some of these other companies such as Nikola Motors or Lordstown Motors. So Lucid is definitely a really good long-term stock, and this stock crash is definitely really solid to pick up some shares, especially how it's been going. So yeah, it's down quite a bit. All-time highs was around $65 per share. So I do think it's a good opportunity to buy this stock. Um, and why is the stock down? So basically, shares of Lucid Group plunged 18% on Friday. After the, well, actually, it's not even Friday, it's Thursday. After the electric vehicle startup, Upstart announced a sizable debt sale. So they're basically doing a debt offering of 1.75 billion, and this is really scaring investors because it's going to be diluting their shares basically, if the people who have these notes decide to convert them into shares in the future. But there's a lot of uncertainty, and that uncertainty is what's driving the price down because we don't know the share price at which this conversion can take place. And it's possible that it could be higher than some investors currently expect. Basically, if Lucid's leadership team were to allocate roughly 2 billion, it would receive from this debt sale. Any potential dilution could be offset by the value created by the company's growth investments. So basically, these analysts at Motley Fool believe that today's steep decline could be unwarranted, and it's just because of all this uncertainty and all this fear that's driving the price down. And long-term investors who are bullish on Lucid, they're a solid company. They're definitely rivaling Tesla. They have products out on the road. Their vehicles look amazing. They might want to consider using today's sell-off as an opportunity to buy even more shares of this stock at a discount. As you can see, down 20% a day. It's a pretty big, massive discount. Um, it definitely has a bearish trend right now, and I can see that. So what am I doing? I do think that it may potentially dip even lower. So how I'm playing it is I'm selling a $29 cash gear put on Lucid Motors. So basically, as long as Lucid Motors stays above $29 per share, I keep the premium in full, which is $52. Otherwise, I have to buy 100 shares of Lucid stock at $29 each, which in my opinion would be an excellent steal for this stock. So otherwise, if you're bullish on it, you can just pick up some shares right away, or you can even buy some long-term call options. Go out further in strike prices. You could do like a January 2023 and buy some call options. It's going to cost you a thousand or so. Implied volatility is decently high because of this sell-off. But overall, it's going to be a long-term buy and hold. And I would recommend buying this stock in like a long-term portfolio. Just buying and holding, don't even looking at your portfolio just because of how volatile this stock may be in the short term. But overall, in the long-term future, I think that you could see some really sizable returns just holding this stock and not even looking at it, just letting it grow and move, and just come back to it in like 10, 20 years, and you will be pretty happy with your return if this stock does happen to blow out people's expectations. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.